compare. Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. In the heart of Bolivia rests Salar de Uyuni, an expanse so vast it defies belief. Once a prehistoric lake, now it stands as the world's largest salt flat, presenting an unmatched spectacle. During the rainy season, this desert of salt undergoes a magical transformation, becoming a mirror reflecting the heavens, merging sky and earth into a surreal canvas. Here, one feels as if suspended in time, walking where the horizon blurs into infinity. The thick salt crust, enriched with lithium, crackles underfoot, echoing Earth's ancient epochs. As dusk approaches, the landscape is bathed in hues of pink and gold, resembling a scene from a painter's dream. In this ethereal expanse, nature reveals its most mystical aspect, beckoning travelers to a realm where reality and dreams seamlessly intertwine.